Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Coding for All. Now in this tutorial I shall be showing you how to install Python in your computer system and how to start coding in Python through the hello world statement. So first of all, what you have to do is open your favorite web browser and type in www.python.org, which will take you to the official website of the Python programming language. Now, what is the Python programming language? The Python programming language is an open source language, an object-oriented language, and the popularity for Python is due to this fact is that the syntax of Python is very easy to understand, as well as there are many packages in Python. Some are inbuilt and some we have to install from outside, which help in a varied applications like web development, app development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, game development, etc. So once you are in the official website of Python, go to the downloads section and download the latest version of Python for your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, the latest version is Python 3.9.1. I'm going to click here and I'm going to save it in my downloads folder, and the .exe file will get downloaded and saved in my downloads folder. Now let's double click it to run it. Now what you need to do is be sure that you check in the box add Python 3.9 to path. Now adding Python 3.9 to path ensures that the official Python interpreter in your computer system will be this Python 3.9.1. So after checking this box, you need to do install now, and this will install all the files and related documentation associated with it. Now since I've already installed Python in my system, I'm not going to do it once again. I will cancel it. Now once you have installed, just open your command line interface in Windows. I will just zoom in and type in Python and press enter. Now if you get an output like this, which showcases the version of Python in your computer system, you can be sure that Python has been installed without any issues in your computer system. Now the environment we are inside right now is the Python command line interface. The Python command line interface can be accessed either through the Windows command line interface, or we can type in IDLE in the search bar and click over this IDLE symbol and open it. This will take us into the Python Integrated Development Learning Environment. That is the IDLE. For now, we will use the IDLE through the Windows command line interface, and since the official initiation of starting to code is to print hello world, therefore we are going to print hello world in the Python command line interface through this statement as print within brackets and within quotes hello world. I am officially starting to learn Python, and press enter. And we see that the statement that we have given as input over here has been printed in the command line interface. So thank you guys for watching this video. I shall be posting many such tutorial videos. Now please do like and share, and also please subscribe to my channel to learn more about Python and its applications. Thank you.